One, two, three.
This is my outfit I made by myself. My dress? This is the gate. They say Happy New Year. And aim for New Year. And this is a traditional New Year. That's what they do. It's good for each person, bring their spiritual for a New Year. This is my friend. I'm here to have fun. Hmong culture, you have to New Year, you have to singing and you do all kind of fun out there. So I'm going to show you. This is my lover. This is my sister. My sister. And we have so much fun here. Come on down. Yeah, come. Come here. Hey, you know what? We're going to sing. We're going to sing New Year. Yeah. We come here to celebrate New Year. Okay, I'm going to show you each person. Hi. Yeah. All you guys go. You guys gonna meet you too.
Không phải luôn ăn đâu nọ, trong lò có yến dạy mù, họ cho nhà thì chỉ rồi, cho nó ta kính nhau xí.